You cannot eradicate a substance that is in high demand simply by making it illegal. Simple economics states that as long as there is a demand for a product, there will always be a supplier for such product. In order to be a supplier of this liquid and profitable product under prohibition, you have to be a criminal. Because of the inflated pricing of prohibition, there can be big profits to be obtained in this illegal trade. As soon as large amounts of money become involved, security becomes an issue. Since you have become forced to become a criminal to obtain this profit, you cannot turn to law enforcement to protect you from people who may find it worth the risk and time to try and steal your money and your operation from you. You cannot use the established law enforcement to protect yourself, and so the next most simple option is to purchase protection in the form of a gun, or several guns. Now that you have purchased a gun or many guns, it's only a matter of time before those guns will be fired. When guns go off, bad things tend to happen. Many times when guns go off, a life is taken, and whether or not it's an innocent life is irrelevant, because without the prohibition in the first place, this situation just would not have occurred.